Hi there, students. To stay someone's hand, to stay your hand. Okay, this means to stop someone from doing something, to prevent someone from doing something. So, I was going to hold a party, but I thought there could well be another lockdown, so I stayed my hand. I didn't do it. He went to pick up the money, but his wife stayed his hand. Yeah, she puts his... No, don't do it. Okay, so to stay your hand, not to do it. Yeah, he was going to drink the whole bottle of wine, but then he stayed his hand because he remembered that he had to work the next day. Okay, so to stay someone's hand, to prevent or restrain somebody from acting. Don't act yet. Stay your hand for a couple of days and then you can act. Yeah, don't announce this yet. Stay your hand until next week. Okay, don't act prematurely. Stay your hand. Very often as well, you stay your own hand. You decide not to act. I really wanted to buy it, but I didn't have enough money and I knew I had a lot of bills coming up. So I stayed my hand and I didn't buy it. Yeah, I stayed my hand. I didn't do it. Yeah, I thought about doing it, but I didn't do it. I stayed my hand. Okay, to stay has the idea of stopping somebody. Yeah, not moving it. Stay still. Yeah, to fix in position, if you like. Okay, so to stay someone's hand. The government reacted prematurely. They should have stayed their hand. They were waiting for more information about the situation, so they stayed their hand until they knew more. Yeah, don't go yet. Stay your hand, and I'll take you home when I leave in about half an hour. Okay, so to prevent somebody from doing something. Formality. Okay, this sounds pretty literary. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 to a 7 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation? I think not, unless you're making a joke and being ironically formal. Use it in a semi-formal writing. It's a great literary phrase, and something very formal as well. And then, well, the origin, stay, as in keep in position. Yeah, stay. Yeah, stay with me. Don't move. Just stay where you are. Okay. Okay, so a good phrase to use. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, don't stay your hand and give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. So, bye for now. To stay your hand.